Morning, guys. So we are about to board the cruise now in the morning, and it's just around noon, and we are now driving to the Symphony of the Seas. And just around there, somewhere, once we turn, I guess we'll see the ship. You guys stay put with me now for a minute, and I guess we take you to the ship. Huh? See, there's a big one here, but I don't think this is the one. This is not the one. This is Tennessee. Yeah, I think at the back I can see. Okay, guys, I don't want to hold you guys more. I'll retouch base again. Okay, guys, welcome back. Yeah, even this Norwegian epic is also very big. So, guys, we are just about to approach the pier now. We are just about to. You can see these big ships over here now. The Norwegian epic is also big, and if ours is going to be bigger, I guess.
There's ours. That's ours.
Yeah. So all these cabs, 6,000 odd people getting into the ship today. That's the ship, guys.
Oh my God! Push. Yeah, from here we get the view. Oh, that could happen to get.
ये बड़ी लग रही है मुझे. है ना?
हाँ, ये तो.
For some goddamn reason, the Norwegian epic is seeming bigger than our ship, but can't. Not possible.
Mediterranean Symphony seas.
The record says that Symphony is the biggest ship in the world today. So we will be up there. See the Norwegian epic. This is also very, very big.
No, ours is bigger. Maybe. Look. There's a picture on the camera. ऐसे लिख रहा है कुणाल कितने होंगे? ये है W.
Look at this. Yeah, this is also very, very big. Yeah, even this one is very, very big. And that's ours.
Look at the lifeboats. देखो एक आदमी औरत पहुंच गई.
Look at these. Ours is also a ocean facing cabin, guys. So, and the larger balcony.
अब देख ले आगे.
Just some more pictures from the various angles. I'm sure the next week will be a lot more pictures. Spain का है, वो कहते हैं it is under the Bahamas flag. See more people coming in.
Theater join Dolly ma'am. Dolly ma'am. ये ma'am से अच्छी है Dolly ma'am. To be honest, she's a good teacher. We did not play with her. Earrings are just. So? She was just. So?
Welcome, guys. Welcome to the Symphony of the Seas. And I can see our room. It's got to be one of these ones.
हाँ, balcony वाली.
No, the big one. The big balcony. Yeah. The protrusion on the outside is the one which is ours. Now we need to figure out.
Small patch with
It is looking like a building to me, less of a ship. It's like a big building. That's it.
And look at the lifeboat. You have to board from Terminal B.
Why do you want to look at the lifeboats, Kunal?
Terminal what? Because they also look like big.
Ah, they are big, very big.
See, लोग तो उतर रहे हैं भैया. #Indians.
Okay, bye, guys. We'll catch up with you later. Bye.
That's the Symphony of the Seas, and that is, Shailesh Mittal. I need to capture the expression.
Come, Monica, come here.
Papa.
Chalo. About to board, guys. Some last checking and then we go.
Yeah, everything you're giving to me.
No, wait.
Everything is in my hand. GoPro.
You GoPro banana, video bana. ये दे स्टिक दे.
ये लो.
रोया मत, खुश रहा कर बस.
So you're about to step onto the ship. That's the ship.
Ah, looking forward. Ah. Yay! Let's together. Monica, come. Yay! Yes, here we go, please.
1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Guys, we are on the ship now. Here we go.
That might be one of the best.
Guys,
Move, Nakul. Just keep on moving. Phyllis, do you want to take?
no, I'm taking this. I need the gimbal.
You ready, guys?
Monica, hold on.
Wait, someone is already jogging.
Ho 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 ho.
चलो निकले चलो.
Hey guys, why are you running? Nakul and Kunal running.
कोई चले तो hold this. बैठ पे बैठे भी हैं अपने कमरे में.
See, they're loading stuff.
देखो वो बैठे भी हैं लोग. Nakul, keep your phone inside. I don't want to take photos and move things. I have to get this thing out.
It's not in your hand.
Look at this. This is a देखो हमारा सारा सामान.
I know it itself looks like a pandupi.
क्या पंडुबी कुणाल?
बच्चों सामान अंदर डाल रहे हैं. कचरे लेके जा रहे हैं. ये क्या है? ये इमरजेंसी बोट है ये.
ये लाइव बोट्स है ना? These are live boats.
हाँ, but ये मतलब इतनी बड़ी-बड़ी.
इतनी बड़ी बड़ी एक में 350 लोग आते हैं 350.
300 लोग.
हाँ, so 10 of these, 20 of these. 20 of these means के पूरा ship covered. Our room is going to be somewhere there, guys. See, I'll show you. Our room is going to be one of these.
The small things that are going out.
So we are going to step on board soon, guys.
हाँ.
या Windjammer जाने पहले.
विंडजामर चलो.
Room पहले.
रूम पे चलो.
चलो, let's go, let's go,
हमारे
guys.
पास बहुत दिन है ये सब.
Let's go, guys.
कैफे प्रोमेनड.
The next cruise.
Only Playmaker Sports Bar and Arcade Spade and Johnny Rockets. सब लोग खा रहे हैं. मस्त है. आप विंडजामर चलो.
एक सेकंड रुक जाओ. लिफ्ट कहाँ है? बिल्कुल वहाँ है पीछे. पीछे लिफ्ट है. We are on the ship now. We are on the ship. Woo! Yeah, we're going to Windjammer for lunch now. Hi, Nakul.
Hi.
I'm sure it will be very, very full. You're on 10th.
Hi,
10th floor.
everywhere people are. 10th? 12th?
14th.
14th, this is our
14th is
floor.
our deck. Now we are on deck 15. That's where we come out. And let's see what comes our way now. Okay, now, so I'm sure it is on the right side. It is on this side. ये तो लोग तो ऐसे कर रहे हैं जैसे ऑलरेडी माय गॉड कहाँ पे
आज ही ज्यादा लोग दिखेंगे देखना
कम वो है आई थिंक विंडजैमर पूछ लो
वो देखो
वेलकम टू विंडजैमर गाइस लेट्स फाइंड अ प्लेस बाय द
One that left.
देयर इज वन इज दिस फॉर 4 can 4 of us sit there
Any table you want.
all
Why
right
is
we'll take
empty? You can take.
we will take this one आई क्या चलो
Oh, okay.
मार दो
Color 15. I thought.
so guys we are getting into our room now finally it's going to be way down but there is another set of elevators close to our room
Yeah. We didn't do that much.
602 guys 602
Good, इतने खाने के बाद.
suitcases are already coming in is it Monica suitcases are already coming in
ऐसा ही था जब उसने खोला दरवाजा.
हाँ I think I can see our suitcases the grey ones
हमारी सबसे पहले आए लग रहे मेरे को.
कहाँ जा रहे हो 602 618
तो किसी का हैप्पी बर्थडे सरप्राइज भी हो रहा है.
Hi. That's a long way. हमारे नहीं आए. Wait, Nakul. Slowly, slowly.
There you are.
There's the key, guys.
अंदर. That's our room. Oh my God! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Go quick! Move.
What?
Water, water.
Easy, Nakul.
Nakul, going crazy. Nakul, sliding ही होगा, कुछ होगा. हाँ. Look at that sailboat. TV चल रही है. Pirate ship.
Hi, guys. That's our view of the room.
Pirate ship.
Pirate ship, yacht.
ये सारे वो खुले क्यों पड़े? Okay, everyone.
Pirate ship.
भाई यार ये तो बड़ा सेफ है. Oh, pirate ship. Mr. Economical. Here's your card. This is your key. लोग आ रहे हैं. Anytime you need it, you can take it.
Hi.
Fine.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Yeah, yeah.
Oh my. Here's your card.
See, if someone
Key
takes 2
holder.
rooms, he can open this and use this again. Thank you.
This is your
So
card.
this is the larger balcony, guys.
Everyone has their own cards. Key.
And
Key
don't
नहीं,
keep it
just
next to your
there.
phone.
Next to your phone मत रखना. It's the same. Just
Hey guys, now we'll take you to the Central Park. This is the Central Park. We got Nakul, this side. We got some nice shopping options so that we have just landed. So what we'll do is we'll just relax for some time and then I need to come here. We need to be here, right? Monica? We need to buy stuff.
यहाँ से चलते हैं, वहाँ से आएंगे. चलो. देखो पार्क फेसिंग वैसे इधर फेसिंग की रूम अच्छी कहाँ यार पानी ही नहीं देख रहे हो
पानी देखने के लिए उनको ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा जब जब पानी देखना है। ये
ये लोग प्लेन किया है बाहर
नकुल कुणाल टर्न।
देखो वो लेडी ने वही
Hey, Jamie's Italian. Got a booking here for day after that.
लोगों ने खर्चा करना शुरू कर दिया
नहीं, क्या पता है आपको? पार्क कैफे मोनिका वही है, इंक्लूडेड है। पार्क कैफे देखो वो लिखा है ग्रैब इनको, देख लो। आ जाना कुछ। Guys, you get soup of the day and you got those grab and go counters. You just get what you want to eat. You want sweets? You want any dessert? Just pick and go. You want any of these sandwiches? Something that you want to take to the room? Some fruit salad? Something?
just grab and go
आपको ये कोई ड्रिंक लेनी है, ड्रिंक ले लो। Very nice. Nakul is figuring out. Guys,
Just don't remind that we are on a ship.
Monica is taking picture. Nakul getting clicked. Wait.
ये बॉल वॉल के साथ चले थे ना look at that इन्होंने कर रखा है असली फ्लावर
हाँ, यहाँ से अच्छा आएगा। अब मेरी बारी है। The robots are making those two robots are making the drinks. We'll be ordering something soon.
What did you get?
Yeah.
oh what we saw
Come, let's go to the guest services. मेरे ख्याल से अभी हमारे को That's a model of the Volkswagen Beetle. Guys.
there's a shop
What is the story we read about this car? This is a model made in
promenade is also free na
Cafe Promenade is free.
see any restaurant with more people that means it's free oh let's go
Wait. Royal Theatre, guys.
street party मेरे हमारे
5:30.
हमारे वो जो दो
You booked है? हाँ, वो मैं बताता हूँ. It's big, huh? This is a big auditorium, Monica. Huge.
Enjoy some great aqua shows during your cruise. Unbelievable cast. They will blow your mind away with our great aqua show. So make sure that you go and check that one out as well. And then of course Studio Bay, that's a classic. It's our ice skating rink with 1977, which is the show that everybody is talking about at the moment. You're gonna see some great technology as well taking place during the show. You're not going to believe what you're going to see on the ice. Now, of course, entertainment will take place all around the ship, not just in these three venues, on the Royal Promenade, in every single lounge, incredible musicians and live music every night. But very important for you to keep in mind when it comes to entertainment, show reservation.
believe dream
That's the. Can I get some coffee?
No.
Why?
No.
create
Create, do.
do
15. Let's go.
No food or glass.
ये भी शुरू हो गया पुल। ये इधर आओ देख लेते हैं। Which pool do you want to go to? यार ये लोग तो मल के बैठ गए। हाँ घुस जाओ घुस जाओ।
वो एक और नहीं करी।
Zip line also happens here. See, Nakul, the zip line happens from there to here.
ये कौन है?
अभी zip line कर लो. He is the recipient. He has to receive.
अच्छा वहाँ से? नहीं।
ये रहा ना ये point.
हाँ ये point बस।
हाँ छोटा सा है. But the depth.
Oh my God. नहीं मत कर। Look at that. नहीं ग्रेट एपिस को देखो कुनाल नीचे बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते तुम। पूरा नीचे जाते हैं और फिर ऊपर कैसे आएंगे? अरे ये वेव राइड है।
Very well. छोड़ देते हैं।
गया ये देख रहा है चला इसको नहीं आती वो आगे
Good one. लो किसको चाहिए?
अभी नहीं ले रहा है।
Go. We have to go to water side.
I think the ship is making so much of water move with so much pressure कि नीचे से मिट्टी आ रही है. Maybe this area is not too deep. I would love to know. मेरा चश्मा भी जाता है. I would love to know कि how deep the ship.
we are turning, will you see the back side?
I'm seeing. That's the front side.
Sorry.
No, Nakul, that's the front or that's the back?
That's the front.
That is why we are turning backwards inside into an area and then he will start.
These guys have opened that thing for us.
What thing?
There is not closed.
That is always open.
That's closed. It's not from the airport. Concrete है वो.
Hey guys. Hi. Hi guys. Just tried to sail out of Barcelona today. Sit back, enjoy. My सीधे हाथ पे पकड़ना है.
Look at the back. Back from where
देखो बैल्कनी वाले भी सारे लोग नीचे से एकदम सारे तरफ.
There's another cruise ship over there.
That one at the back. That black one is a cruise.
The most back.
The back is.
That looks like something else.
No, it doesn't. तो देखो कितने पास से टर्न मारा है पीछे वाले से.
क्या?
पीछे वाले से देखो. पीछे वाले आगे से. नहीं पीछे एक शिप दिखता है ऐसे. तो पानी निकाला.
The center room ना central वाला room.
Seagulls land in water.
Because they might have it ducking.
That is a cemetery, हाँ? वो जो इतना बड़ा सारा है.
afternoon we'll see what we're not doing.
बहुत टाइम 8:45 is our dinner time, not heroes time. ये क्या टैंकर है देखो इतना बड़ा सारा मतलब बाय इटसेल्फ इट्स अ बिग टैंकर हाँ
हमारी इसकी ज्यादा लेंथ में लगी है
या द शिप कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं होगा
किसके लिए
इस शिप की और उसकी हाँ
तो पहुंच गए हो ना?
हमारा फ्रेंड हमारी शिप के अगेंस्ट वो आदमी ऊपर
हाँ, पीछे से हम जा रहे हैं काम करता होगा उसने देखो वो बाय कर रहे हैं हम नहीं क्या रिस्पॉन्ड करते वो बाय वो देखो किसी ने जोर से जंप किया पीछे हो जाओ
to destroy my room.
I will see.
Next.
What are you saying, Monica?
I'm saying, see the other boat. That is also looking so huge, but it is so small in front of that opening.
Yeah, you're right. Tell me, have we gained some speed or no? Normally it sails at 19 knots, which roughly is 40 kilometers an hour.